Why teachers in Georgia are not vaccinated. Ashley, good evening.
Good evening, Sean. This has been a hot topic for weeks and it's only heating up. Should teachers be in this first phase of vaccinations here in Georgia? They are deemed essential and many of them are back in school buildings.
At least 24 states are allowing some or all of its teachers to get COVID-19 vaccines, but Georgia, not one of them. Governor Brian Kemp says right now supply is too limited to include teachers in the first phase of vaccinations, leading to growing frustration from educators.
Since we are being deemed essential workers and have been essentially forced back into the building, we absolutely should have been in that 1A phase.
The state's 1A plus population, the first to get vaccinated, includes first responders, healthcare workers, those in long-term care facilities, and people 65 and up. Tracy Penley, an Atlanta Public Schools teacher, says educators should not be forced back into classrooms if they're not prioritized on the rollout plan.
Until we have vaccines released for all of our teachers, and if vaccines aren't released, then I believe teachers really do deserve a choice.
Dozens of states have criteria allowing school employees to get vaccinated. Ohio is giving shots to all its K through 12 teachers. And in West Virginia, teachers over 50 who wanted vaccinations have received them. Still, the likelihood that Georgia's teachers will move up in line appears to be slim.
We could put all of these factors and variables for safety in and still not be safe.
Redalia Turner, president of the Georgia Federation of Teachers, says the risk for teachers is too great without proper testing in schools and vaccinations.
What I would say to the Atlanta School Board is that get ready to sign a lot of sympathy cards.
Some harsh words. We know the CDC is expected to issue new guidance on reopening schools this week, and CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says the key to safe schools is safe communities, but we know COVID is still widespread throughout Georgia. Live in Atlanta, I'm Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.
Ashley, thank you. Health